Let's have example number 5. Write in expanded form and find S sub 7. This is actually a summation notation. Yan, ang summation notation ay ganito yung itsura. Greek letter sigma, which denote. Okay. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, you have to look for the sum of the numbers na na-generate using this particular rule, 2k plus 1. Okay, if you substitute k from 1 to 7. Ulit. Yung summation na to, ibig sabihin nan, kuhanin mo daw yung sum ng lahat ng mga numbers na ma-generate ng rule na to, which is 2k plus 1, from k equals 1 up to 7. So, let's write this in expanded form. So, duman tayo sa k equals 1. Kasi ang evaluate natin is from k equals 1 hanggang 7. So, we have k equals 1, k equals, sa kabila natin isulat. So, at k equals 1, so we'll get 2 times 1, kasi di ba 2k plus 1, 2 times 1, substitute natin yung k, substitute natin yung 1 sa k, plus 1, so we'll get 2 times 1, it's 2 plus 1, 3. For k equals 2, so we'll get 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 5. K equals 3, 2 times 3 plus 1, we'll get 7. And I think you can already get the pattern. So kapag k equals 4, substitute yung 4, we'll get 9. K equals 5, you will get 11. K equals 6, you will get 13. And k equals 7, you will get 15. So ibig sabihin, yung summation na to, summation of 2k plus 1, from k equals 1 up to 7, it's equivalent to 3 plus 7, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11, plus 13, plus 15. Of course, pwede mo namang kuhanin yung calculator mo, tapos i-add mo na lang to. Anong sum nito? Which is equivalent to 63. Again, ayaw natin na i-add mo siya manually. So, gamitin natin yung formula na tuto natin from arithmetic series. Pwede natin, alam natin that the first term is 3 here, tama? And the last term is 15. And there are how many terms? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 terms. And the common difference is 2. So, bahala kayo na gusto nyo gamitin. Yung first formula or yung second formula. Since may last term tayo, so we can use the second formula. So, we want, okay, so let's substitute. We want S sub 7, so that's 7 over 2, times 3 plus your last term or your 7th term is 15. So, therefore, we'll get S sub 7 equals 3.5, or 7 over 2 na lang muna, times 15 plus 3, that is 18, times 18. And then, 18 divided by 2, we'll get 9. Kasi ito, this will be get 9. So, we'll have 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 63. So, S sub 7 equals 63. Okay. Let's have another one. Evaluate the summation of 3x minus 5 from x equals 5 up to 200. 3x minus 5 equals, summation of 3x minus 5 from x equals 5 up to 200. Check muna natin kung arithmetic to. Pansin nyo, yung lower limit nyo ng summation, which is 5, hindi siya nag-start sa 1, so pwede yun. So we have from 5 to 200. So 5 muna. So at x equals 5, we'll get 3 times 5 minus 5. So that's 10. At x equals 6, we'll get 3 times 6 minus 5, which will give us 18 minus 5. What's 18 minus 5? 13. Haba? 18 minus 5. At x equals 7, we'll get 3 times 7 minus 5. So 3 times 7 is 21 minus 5. That is 16. Okay? So, mukhang arithmetic sequence. Common difference equals 3. So, ibig sabihin, ito, equal yan sa 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus... What is the last term? So let's substitute 200. At x equals 200, we'll get 3 times 200 minus 5. 3 times 200, that is 600 minus 5. 595. Huh? 595. So up to 595. Obviously, we don't want to add all of them. So we can use the formula. But the problem is, wala pa tayong n. Kasi I already know a sub 1. That's 10. Kaso, hindi pala to a sub 1. This is a sub 5. Tama, that's a sub 5. And this is a sub 200. Tama, a sub 200. But actually, pwede nating hindi gawin na ganon. Pwede nating gamitin pa rin yung first formula na, hindi pala, yung second formula, which is n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. We can still use this formula. I'll just put it upward. We can still use this formula, s sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Ang gagawin natin, bilangin lang muna natin kung ilan. So from 200, from 5 up to 200, ilang terms yon? From 5 to 200. So from 5 to 200, ang hindi lang nagamit ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi parang ganito yan. From 5 to 200, ang hindi mo lang nagamit ay 4, 5, up to 200 na to, no? Ang hindi mo nagamit ay 4. So therefore, 200 minus 4, 196. So there are 196. So the formula is 200 minus 5 plus 1. It's 196. So we will add 196 terms. So we can treat this as a sub 1, itong 10 natin, and we can treat 995 as a sub 196. So we'll get a sub 196 is equal to 196 over 2. Your first term is 10 plus your last term is 595. And let's simplify this. 595 plus 10, that's 605. 59,290. Actually, kinalkyo ko na lang siya. So therefore, the value of the summation is, so let me write here. Summation of 3x minus 5 from x equals 5 up to 200 is equal to 59,290. Ba't ka natawa?